Hi everyone. Today we present you with our weekly insight on harnessing dynamic massing and adaptive facade solutions within Revit. Capricorn is now a part of Arkans Group, serving widely in adoption of computer-aided design solutions and its integrated workflows. We are the largest providers of Autodesk software and professional services, followed by 50 branches around the world with more than 1,300 solution professionals. In today's insight, we are going to cover first using adaptive family for modeling details as desired structure profiles. Second, we are going to look at how to model elements within family. Third, creating the adaptive model element to follow a proper path as to suit the unique requirements of facade. Fourth and last, how we are going to effectively load those families profiles onto project and develop our massings as per our matrix. Let us just move on to the live demo now. So here I am onto my user interface screen of Revit software. And as you can see, we have prepared the mass over here with number of U and V grids. So yet the mass is not closed. And now we are going to see how to make it adaptive facade designs over here. So first of all, I will open a new family type and let's select the most generic part of it, which is in metric template. So I will be going for metric generic model adaptive family. Okay. So now here I'm onto my Revit family template, which is generic model adaptive part. If I just switch it back to the Revit part of it, you can see if I just select the surface, you can get the number of grids, right? So V grid, I have 20. So I should take the number of points to be 20 plus 1, that is 21. Okay. So moving back onto the 3D part, and here we are just going to create the points. Now the reference, selecting it. So let's just make this as an adaptive one. And now I can go on to my floor plan. We need 21, right? So just copying it down. Now we already have 21 points. Let me just move on to the 3D of it. So we have these points generated already. We'll just select down all the points. We'll filter it, and we just need the adaptive points over here. Let me just make this one. Right? So now we have developed a line. So now the basic part of it is like if I move any of the points accordingly, the line should also move. So any of the shapes I would be discovering on these planes should move along with these points itself. Let's check out these point first. So I will just select this point, and so now you can see the line itself is moving in the right direction as the point is moving, right? So that means we are on to the correct phase and everything has been worked up properly. All the points are connecting to the lines and they are adaptive in nature. So now we are going to develop a surface. Let's develop a pipe sort of uh, structure. So let's just take, first of all, let's just select the work plane in which I have to work with. So right now I have this vertical plane to work with. I'm taking a bit a smaller surface, right? I will just select the surface. I will select the path so it works as same as sweep model and we are going to create a solid form out of it. Now you can see the part is solid. If we just try to move any of the points, let's say this point, let's see whether the pipe is moving or not. Yes, exactly, the pipe is moving, right? So that means our family is correct. We'll load this family onto project. And as we should remember that mass is yet not closed onto the Revit part of it. So I will just load this family onto the project and we are onto the surface. And I think that would appear onto the generic part family. Just forward. Probably this would be the part. Now we have to just take this option of onto the face environment where we can just go with the face type. Check whether we are getting a correct sort of profile or not. Let's see, fourth part, sixth, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Now you can see the entire surface has been placed onto my interface, and I have to repeat this particular part. So I'll just select it and repeat it accordingly. Now you can see we have a dynamic sort of facade throughout. So this is how we generally work with the adaptive sort of families to have its dynamic in nature. And this is how we create the facade designs using mask. Now I will finish it up and it all gets into a mask form, right? See, this is the final product. This is how we need to work. Even we can manage the things within Revit by creating the parameters. If I would have associated this particular circular shape of pipe with certain parameter, I can control those parameters onto my project as well. So this is how this facade designing with respect to the adaptive family type works. Hope you guys had an insightful session. We shall be presenting with other insights on upcoming videos. Do subscribe to our channel for all the updates. Do reach out to us for any query or suggestion. See you in the next week. Thanks and take care.